Have you ever played a first-person shooter video game? It's that intense, immersive feeling of being right in the action, seeing exactly what your character sees. Now, imagine that same perspective, but in the real world, controlling a small, agile drone soaring through the sky at incredible speeds. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of FPV, or first-person view drones, and they are completely revolutionizing modern battlefields. So, what exactly is an FPV drone? Unlike the camera drones you might see capturing beautiful landscape shots, which are designed for stability, FPV drones are built for speed, agility, and a fully immersive piloting experience. The pilot wears a set of goggles that display a live video feed directly from a camera mounted on the front of the drone. This gives them the sensation of sitting in a virtual cockpit, allowing for incredibly precise, intuitive control. It's like becoming one with the machine. These drones can zip through tight spaces, perform acrobatic maneuvers, and react with split-second timing, something traditional drones just can't match. Originally, these agile flyers were the domain of hobbyists and professional drone racers who would push them to their limits in thrilling competitions. They built custom drones, tweaked every component for maximum performance, and developed incredible piloting skills. But as is often the case with innovative technology, what starts as a hobby can find powerful new applications. Military strategists began to notice the unique capabilities of these small, fast, and relatively inexpensive devices. It's the same qualities that made them great for racing speed, maneuverability, and a low-cost, disposable nature also made them a potentially game-changing tool in conflict. So how are they being used? The most prominent and impactful use is as precision-guided munitions, often called loitering munitions or kamikaze drones. An operator can fly an FPV drone, often carrying a small explosive payload, directly to a target with pinpoint accuracy. Because the pilot sees what the drone sees in real time, they can identify and track moving targets, navigate complex urban environments, or even fly through an open window or trench to reach a fortified position. This is a massive shift from traditional artillery or airstrikes, which can be less precise and carry a much higher risk of collateral damage. Think about the advantages. A single soldier with a backpack containing a few of these drones can effectively have their own personal, highly accurate air support. They can scout ahead, identify enemy positions from a safe distance, and neutralize threats without exposing themselves to direct fire. They can target armored vehicles, supply lines, and enemy encampments with a level of precision that was previously only achievable with much larger, more expensive weapon systems. This democratizes aerial power on the battlefield, putting it in the hands of smaller units. Another key role for FPV drones is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR. Their small size and high speed make them incredibly difficult to detect, both visually and on radar. They can quickly zip over enemy lines, gather real-time intelligence on troop movements, and then return, all before the other side even knows they were there. The first-person perspective allows the operator to get up close and personal, peering into windows or looking over walls, providing a level of detail that a high-altitude satellite or larger surveillance drone could never capture. This real-time information is invaluable for making quick, informed decisions on the ground. The psychological impact is also significant. The constant threat of a small, barely audible drone appearing out of nowhere creates immense stress and uncertainty. It forces soldiers to be constantly vigilant, changing the way they move and operate. The distinct, high-pitched buzz of an approaching FPV drone has become a dreaded sound on the modern battlefield, a signal of imminent danger that's hard to counter. This psychological pressure can be just as effective as the physical damage the drones inflict. Of course, with every new offensive technology comes the race to develop effective countermeasures. The defense side is working hard to catch up. Electronic warfare systems are being developed to jam the control and video signals of FPV drones, essentially cutting the link between the pilot and the drone, causing it to crash or return home. Specialized radar systems are being designed to detect these small, low-flying objects. And then there are kinetic solutions, like high-powered nets, laser systems, or even other drones designed specifically to intercept and take down hostile FPVs. It's a classic cat-and-mouse game of technological one-upmanship. But the low cost of FPV drones makes them a particularly tricky threat to counter. A single kamikaze drone might cost only a few $100s to build from commercial parts. In contrast, a sophisticated anti-drone missile or laser system can cost hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. This creates a challenging economic equation for defense forces. You can't afford to fire $1 million missile at every $500 drone. This economic asymmetry is a huge part of what makes the FPV drone so disruptive. Looking ahead, the evolution of FPV drones in warfare is only just beginning. We're likely to see the integration of more advanced artificial intelligence. Imagine swarms of drones that can communicate with each other, autonomously identify targets based on preset criteria, and coordinate complex attacks without direct human control for every single maneuver. AI could also assist pilots, helping them navigate, track targets, and even evade countermeasures, making the drones even more effective and easier to operate. We'll also see improvements in the hardware itself. Longer flight times, greater payload capacities, more resilient communication links, and enhanced sensor packages with thermal and night vision are all on the horizon. As the technology continues to mature and proliferate, it will fundamentally alter strategic calculations for militaries around the world. The era of large, expensive, and vulnerable military hardware, being the sole decider of conflicts, may be coming to an end, replaced by a new paradigm of agile, distributed, and intelligent warfare. The rise of the FPV drone is a powerful reminder of how quickly the landscape of conflict can change. What began in the hands of hobbyists has become a defining feature of 21st century combat, forcing everyone to rethink the old rules of war. The future of the battlefield is fast, agile, and seen through the eyes of a drone. Thanks for watching. If you found this look into the future of military technology interesting, do you want to forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world? See you in the next one.